Okay, my name is Mickey Hall and I'm from Lubbock, Texas. My gums started to get infected a lot and my bone started to deteriorate. And so the oral surgeon in my hometown said that I was going to need this procedure one day. So we just thought that we should probably go ahead and get it done since I was young and my bone was still pretty good. So that's kind of a strange story. So again, I had looked into several different options in my hometown, and someone said that a friend of theirs had gone to Mexico to get their teeth done. And I was like, oh, I never even thought about that. But I will tell you that I came across a video with Dr. Diego and Dr. Nestor on it was just a web search. And anyway, fell in love with them, their personalities, their professionalism, everything about them. So I called and got an appointment and here we are. It has been amazing and I deeply appreciate every single one of you. Just from the professional, from the first day we walked in, to be honest with you, I had appointments at 2 other clinics and I called and canceled them because I knew once I was here, this is where I needed to be and that y'all would take wonderful care of me, and the rest is history. I am in the final stage. This is it. So I am so excited. I can't wait to just smile all the time again now. So anyway, but it has been wonderful. I do appreciate you guys. Just keep with it. It gets better. Again, right after surgery, I had all my teeth removed, top and bottom. That was pretty traumatic for me. And I'm kind of young, so I didn't expect to have that done, but it's been wonderful. Everything, like from start to finish, everybody has walked through everything step by step, told me exactly what to expect, and it's been wonderful. I'm glad it's over, but I will continue to see y'all once a year and make sure everything looks good. So just how amazing everybody was. I mean, from Michael, from Dr. Diego, from Dr. Nestor, reception, just welcoming, every single one of y'all have been amazing. And I can't wait to share my opinion with everybody that expects to do this or has some kind of dental treatment done. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. The changes that it caused in my life. So again, I did not expect to have to go through anything like this. And I have always had a very good oral hygiene and everything. So I expected to be dead with my teeth, and that's just not what God's plan was, but that's okay. I can tell you this smile is my smile. And I was really worried that I would never have my smile back because my husband said that's the one thing that attracted him to me. And after 30 years of marriage, I didn't want to give that up. But he said that my smile is back. And I appreciate that. It doesn't get any better. Thank y'all. Perfect.